Have you ever turned on the flashlight on your phone and later realized you have to open the quick panel again just to turn it off? On the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, there is a small feature that makes it easier. You can allow the flashlight control to appear in the now bar so you can turn it off more quickly. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open the setting app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap lock screen and AOD. Then tap now bar. Inside this menu, look for the option called flashlight. Now, simply turn on the switch next to it. Once this option is enabled, try turning on your flashlight from the quick panel. Then lock the screen. After that, the flashlight activity will appear in the now bar. As a note, you will also see the flashlight indicator on the status bar, on the now bar widget if you have one, and at the top of the quick panel to make it easier for you to notice that the flashlight is still on. However, from the now bar on the lock screen, you can tap it, then turn the flashlight off without opening the quick panel again or even unlocking the phone. This works similarly to other now bar activities like music playback, timer, or voice recording, which allow you to control activator more conveniently. So if you often use the flashlight, enabling this option can make it faster and easier to control. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.